of all, we need to roll the papers and then make the base of the body with some of the rolled papers. Now we will make the head of the doll by folding the rolled papers as shown in the video. Now we will fix a rolled paper for supporting the whole body and we'll fix the head on the top of it. Now we will make the hands as shown in the video. After that, we will fold the rolled papers from the middle of it and give the shape of the upper portion of the body. We should take paper weights to balance the weight of the body. Then we will make the lower portion of the doll. We are using this type of material for the upper portion of the dress. This will help as a food holder. Now we will press in the middle to hold some food material. Here we are decorating the lower portion of the skirt. You can decorate your own doll as per your choice. At the end, we will make jewelries with wires. guys! We hope that you all liked our work.
And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel, and for more new videos, please click the bell icon.
Please give a big thumbs up and we are gonna wait for your comments. So, take care and stay tuned.